So we have just pulled onto the Cades Cove Loop Road, and we're going to be on here for a couple of miles, and then we're actually going to peel off of this really popular drive and take the Rich Mountain OHV trail.
Yep.
Which, from what we've read on all trails, is basically a gravel road with nice views. So.
And it goes up top, so we'll go see some really beautiful views.
So we're going to take you along with us so you can check it out and enjoy the views.
Look at that paint! They're so chubby! Look at that big baby, he's so chubby. That one looks young. Look at that! The house finger.
Capturing content means getting out and walking a lot. And this guy, he doesn't like it when I get out of the vehicle. I'm back. Settle down. Settle down. Hi. Oh, tell me, did you miss me? So we just finished the Rich Mountain OHV trail, and we're back on a road that says it's two-way traffic, but this thing is
Tight.
no different than the road we were on, aside from the fact it's paved. Take a look at this. So definitely recommend, if you're in the area, check out the trail. You don't need a Jeep, you don't need a four-wheel drive. I think we saw a minivan doing it. It's a gravel road, some great overlooks, some great scenery. Totally worth it.
Absolutely, and it was probably. I mean, it feels like it's 20 degrees cooler up here
Oh,
than
then
down
Pigeon
in like
Forge.
Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. It's
Yeah.
just,
Was it 73 and amazing?
yeah, feels fantastic. Smells amazing. Beautiful.
Nature.
Awe-inspiring.